Welcome, everyone, to Skills Beyond the Bottle. I'm Tiffany Taylor, Business Development and Creative Projects Manager, and I'm so excited to introduce a concept that will change how you help your customers: the house of products. Think of the house of products as your step-by-step blueprint for building amazing at-home hair care routines for your customers. Instead of selling, because none of us like to sell, let's focus on solving their hair care needs. Let me ask you something. Have you ever watched a house being built? What's the first thing they do? They lay a foundation. Just like a home needs a strong foundation, healthy, gorgeous hair starts with a foundation products. We're talking about your shampoos, conditioners, leave-ins, masks, and treatments. These products are essential for creating a healthy environment for the hair and scalp and encouraging stronger hair growth. Here's why it matters. When the foundation matches your customer's hair type, texture, and condition, their style lasts longer and it looks amazing all day. And we all know that when customers feel confident, they keep coming back for more. With the foundation in place, what comes next? The structure. The structure acts as the house's frame. It creates space, defines areas, and gives the home its shape. Structure products work the same way. These are your gels, mousses, foams, serums, and root boosters. They give the cut its shape and keep it looking fabulous. Apply them to damp hair, either towel dried or slightly damp. Have a customer with fine, low density hair? Use structure products to build up their volume. What about thicker hair? Using structure products will help smooth out texture and offer extra control. Here's the fun part. By showing your customers how to use structure products at home, you're giving them the tools to level up their look between visits. And that's the joy of being a hair professional. When the structure and shape are set, what's left to do? The finishing touches. The finishing touches gives the home some character, some personality. These are the extra details that personalize the home. And for hair, finishing products do the same. These products are your pomades, waxes, pastes, heat protectants, and hairsprays that add shine, texture, definition, and protection. They're often applied to dry hair and takes the cut and style to the next level, giving your customer that polished, jaw-dropping look. Once you get more comfortable with the house of products, you'll see that some products can work in more than just one category. For example, the Solutions Glossing Multitask Cream can be used on damp hair to build structure and on dry hair for added texture. But the important takeaway is how you use the product to achieve the style your customer wants. When building your customer's routine, always start simple with a solid foundation of shampoo and conditioner. Every customer can benefit from having a clean, healthy scalp, even those who say, "I don't use products." We know they are most likely referring to structure or finishing products. Offering a great shampoo and conditioner is your way to build trust and show your customers how easy it is to step up their hair care routine. When that customer visits next, they might not be in the market for a new shampoo, but they could be ready to be introduced to another area of the house of products. You see where this is going? This lets you build their routine over time. This gradual approach keeps things light, fresh, and perfectly tailored to their needs. Remember, building a hair care routine for your customer doesn't have to happen in a single visit. This approach helps create a natural replacement cycle for their products. If the customer purchases a shampoo today, they'll likely need to replace it in around 2 to 3 months. The same thing applies to structure or finishing products. This cycle helps to introduce new products gradually into their routine as their needs change. So there you have it. The house of products is a simple and effective way to build your customers' routines and grow your experience as a stylist. Remember, you are the expert. Customers rely on your guidance. Help them find the right products to make their hair goals a reality. Thanks for joining me today, and stay tuned for more tips, tricks, and insights in the Skills Beyond the Bottle series. Until next time, keep recommending.